Hi, this session is specially designed for preventions, making and understanding people at the present situation of COVID-19. To understand the situation, to prevent the main aspect of everyone should understand and should know the spread of COVID-19, the virus. To preventions, the standardizations, the WHO, how it is released, clean your hands often and use soap and water, plenty of water, or alcohol based hand rub. Maintain a safe distance from anyone who is cough or sneezing or getting fever. These the symptoms. If you find, you always try to maintain some distance and to observe the person. Don't touch your eyes and nose or mouth very frequently. When you are washing your hands perfectly, then you have to have your food. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or tissue when you cough or sneeze. And perfectly, you have to throw a tissue in a garbage dustbin perfectly, not anywhere. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you have a fever, a cough, and difficulty on breathing, seek medical treatment or call in advance for those who are having a very nearby helplines. Follow the directions of your local health authority, how they are giving you to treat very well. You understand if you feel any cough or difficulty while breathing, you just make a call. Don't hesitate to avoid it. Try to call them and take in a medical advisory, take appropriate action. Stay protect yourself and protect your locality. Thank you.